What's up, guys? Tanner Schmidt here from the Halo Group. I'm standing in front of my favorite restaurant, the Happy Camper, in the middle of my favorite neighborhood, the Highlands. Let's go check it out. Just west of downtown Denver, the neighborhood consists of varying architectural styles from ultra-modern to original 1900 Denver squares, with the best cocktails and ice cream in all of Denver. Highlands is considered one big neighborhood with three distinct sections: the Highlands, Low-High, and Platt Street. Popular restaurants, bars, and retailers have propelled the Highlands into one of the hottest neighborhoods in the entire city. With awesome views of downtown and the mountains, central location, and easy access to transportation, makes it easy to believe that in 2021 the median home price was $800,000, up 23% from last year. If you would like to know more about homes in the Highlands or recommendations for our favorite spots, please feel free to reach out.